Hello, my name is William Andres Cabrera Castro and the group 117 of English number 4. In this case, I'll give you information about my daily routine. So in this case, I get up at 6:50 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and after that I take a shower. Then I pick out the clothes that I'm going to wear and prepare my breakfast. Then I leave my house and get the bus to go to work. Normally I get to the office at 8 a.m. Then I go off and buy a cup of coffee and go back to my office to turn up the computer. At 10 a.m. I have the first meeting eh, of the day, and also at 2 p.m. I go to lunch with my friends, and we have to come over at 3 p.m. At 5 in the afternoon, I have the second meeting with my supervisor, and at 6 p.m. I leave work and I go back to grab the Transmilenio or the bus to go home. I get at home around 7, very tired, and I ready to prepare for the next day. When I get there, I sit back a bit watching TV. When I'm at home, I pick out a variety of fruits to eat. Then I prepare some sandwich too, and I start doing my university homeworks or works. After I finish my work from the university, I watch TV until 11:30 p.m. and then I turn out the computer and go to sleep. So thank you so much for your time. This is my daily routine. Have a good day.